Hi everyone and welcome to the Eforia YouTube channel. This video is part of my Halloween series and today I will be showing you 4 different design ideas for how to paint your plaster pumpkins. This is a really fun project to do either on your own or perhaps with your kids. Let's get started! I found these plaster pumpkins at a Swedish Dollar Store. They come with the paint and everything, but I also borrowed some of my son's Warhammer paint for this project. And now I'm just gonna show you 4 different design ideas for these plaster pumpkins. This first pumpkin is going to be a classic orange pumpkin. Before painting the stem, we're going to leave it to dry for a while. And meanwhile, let's continue with the second pumpkin design. And this image is where I got the inspiration for the second pumpkin. I'm using a dark green shade for this pumpkin, and this is one of the paints that I borrowed from my son's Warhammer painting. It's just a regular model paint. And of course we have to pause the video for a cuddle break. Time to continue with the project. I couldn't find the image that I used for inspiration for this pumpkin, but here's a somewhat similar image that I used for this design. And while this dries, let's get started on the fourth and final design. Here's what I used for inspiration for this one, but I added my own touch to it as well. Let's get back to number 1 and start painting the stem. Now it's time to add some details to the pumpkins. I've decided that I like this stem white, so I'm going to keep it. Let's add the final touches to this design. Now it's time to reveal the final results for all of the pumpkins. Please let me know in a comment below which one of these designs that you like the most. Thank you for watching this video with Eforia. If you think this video was inspirational, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This will help me to be able to create more inspiring videos for you guys. Also make sure to check out my other videos for more DIYs, crafts and inspiration.